Hello, namaste friends. Welcome to this channel Heal with Manisha. And today Usha is also there. And
Hello, namaste, friends.
yes,
Welcome to today's short session.
yes.
Yes.
And we will be discussing something interesting today and hope you all like it. So, Usha, tell me, how was your week so far?
Oh, yeah. So my week was with occupied. I was occupied with a hectic schedule. I can say overwhelming schedule. Like I work in a corporate company. I work with most of the US and Canadian clients. So
Mhm.
I have few late night calls, and it is a bit overwhelming, busy. Sometimes it is chaotic schedule. So my week was really very overwhelming.
Oh, isn't. So,
Yeah.
is this your general schedule? Like every time you go, you have the overwhelming work and you didn't get time to rest and such things?
Yeah, most of the time I get into some stressful situations at office, at work, and at the same time I have to do many things on my personal life or at home also. So generally my schedule is too tight, and it is most of the times over the week it is overwhelming for me.
Oh, so it seems like you didn't get time to relax yourself, isn't it? So how you manage yourself? How you manage this work life things?
So what I do to get the enough rest for me, or get connected to my day-to-day life
Hmm?
in more relaxing way. The first of all, I meditate. Okay,
Hmm.
I try to do regular Anapanasati meditation. I exercise, and
Hmm.
most importantly, I do breath work. So I connect with my breath consciously
Hmm.
on daily basis. Yeah.
Okay, so as you said that Anapanasati meditation, workout, and the breath work. So in Anapanasati meditation, we just focus on our breath, isn't it? And we witness inhalations and
Exactly,
exhalations. So
exactly.
how breath work is different than the meditation? Can you elaborate for
Yeah,
our audience here?
yeah. So this is a very good question, Manisha. So yeah, in meditation we observe, we do not try to control anything. We just observe our easy, natural breath.
Yeah.
But the breath work which I am talking about is a conscious connected breath work. Like we connect with our breath consciously. Okay, we choose to connect with our breath very
Hmm.
consciously. And in this breath work, actually, we involve all our organs, like our chest, our stomach, and the nostrils. We
Hmm.
consciously connect with our breath, and it is without any pauses. Okay, so we
Hmm.
try to align our breath with our body, mind, and emotions, and we consciously observe that and connect with that breath. So this is called as a conscious connected breath work.
Hmm. Hmm.
That is what I do on daily basis.
Okay, and
Yeah.
it help you to release your stress and recharge yourself and woke up in the morning with a fresh energy, isn't it?
Exactly. It helped me a lot. Breathwork helped me a lot because it aligned my system properly.
Okay.
So whenever we go through any stressful, any overwhelming day or any other stressful situation also, or our mind is occupied with many things,
Hmm.
this we have to do, that we have to do, many thoughts also, and any unhealthy emotions if we go through. So actually the breath work help you to align your body, mind and emotions. So this helped me a lot. It helped me to reduce my stress on day-to-day basis, and it I don't want to get it stored in my system anymore. I always wanted to have a fresh day with fresh mindset and a good amount of energy. So breathwork has helped me a lot to release those emotions which are unhealthy for my systems, clear out the thoughts. It don't clutter my mind with the thoughts, and obviously my body is also get a good amount of rest.
Yes.
So when the system get aligns, you already be in a peaceful and calmness position always. So this is what breath work do for me.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
so wonderful, Usha. And you said it very correctly that our body stores the emotions.
exactly,
Whatever we feel, whatever emotions, thoughts we have, and it actually not go anywhere. It actually
exactly,
goes in our system, in our physical body, and eventually the stress, the negative emotions, unhealthy emotions, or the overwhelming grief, sadness, anger, fear, um, such emotions, those are very dense emotions, those manifested as illness, the
exactly,
headaches, migraines, stomachache, or digestive issues, any aches and pains in our body, or simple cough, cold, recurrent cough, cold, or fever, such things. So this is so important to understand that our emotions affects our body and it is correlated with each other. Yes, so breath work seems to be very useful tool to release these stored, suppressed, repressed emotions in our system. And you know what, friends and Usha, that recently I had one client, and
oh,
she is like, her issues were so many issues. She came up with depression. She had anxiety issues, and majorly she has going through overthinking, as well
okay,
as the insomnia, the sleep issues. And she told me that since from past 10 to 12 years she is not slept well, not a single day. And she always feel her body heavy like a rock, a heavy rock. And we started breathwork sessions for her, and it is like a magical thing happened that after only two sessions, she just after finishing our second session, she called up next morning, and she was so happy, and she is expressing herself that this was the first, the experience of peaceful and relaxed sleep she
wow,
had. And
wow,
she said that the morning is so fresh for me. I
wow,
never felt this for so long. So for,
amazing.
the 10, 12 years. So breathwork also help us to sleep well, and also we feel lighter when
Yes, exactly. So
breath
I
work.
have, yeah, I have
Yeah.
also experienced this a lot. Like, we generally when we sleep, and when we get a good restful sleep, we have a more energy in the morning. So
Hmm.
actually, after the breath work, I have experienced it daily that I have a very restful sleep every night. Every most of the nights, I have a very restful sleep. And the second is that a second benefit is I have experienced myself personally is that I was a very restless person. So my calmness has increased a lot. I am mindful in each and every task on day-to-day basis. So as our system get aligned with each and everything, we get it is easy for us to get mindful in every task. So
Hmm.
mindfulness is one of the most important thing also I have experienced along with the sleep, the
Hmm.
restful sleep.
Hmm. Hmm. And
And
yes, we
yes,
reduce the stress with
exactly.
day-to-day rest.
That is
That
a
is.
very easy. Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. And apart from this, we can reduce our digestive issues, the aches and pains.
Hmm.
We overcome grief, sadness, whatever we stored in our mind. Even it calms when our nervous system get
Yes.
calm. Overthinking issue also we
Get reduced. Yeah.
overcome that issue
Yes.
as well. And one of the interesting thing what we experienced, Usha, that after doing, 5 or 10 sessions of breath work, we reduced our weight.
Reduce our weight. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So the weight loss issues will get resolved by 5 to 7 breathwork sessions easily. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
So I have also experienced my weight. I came to my optimum weight after the breathwork sessions too. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So this is one
Yes.
of the most favorite benefits we have.
Yeah. We lose our belly fat.
Exactly, exactly.
So nowadays, many women struggle with this weight issues, and they do gymming exercises, diet plans. The things they do very compulsively, but this is like a simplest way to to reduce our weight.
Reduce the weight, yes.
Not gain, but gaining is like a clarity of mind. We feel more happy,
Yeah,
joyful.
yes,
We become very mindful, and um, we come to our natural state actually. So
exactly.
these are the benefits of losing weight, and also the health benefits. Our all the systems get regulated easily through breathwork sessions. So this is wonderful tool, and Usha and I bringing this tool for you, my dear friends, and we are offering one workshop which is on this weekend. And if you have anything like your days were very overwhelming, and you are struggling to express yourself, you are struggling with any stress, any illnesses, or any kind of pain and issues which are, sometimes we go to doctor, we visit doctor and say that, my some body part are paining, my I have a stomach ache, or leg pains, shoulder pains, and we do a lot of investigations, but nothing comes up. Yeah. And that time, many times doctor says that it is related to your psychological things. Yeah. So if you are facing any such things, breathwork is a good tool for you. And and also, it reduces it reduce our weight, good sleep, and also people can overcome anxiety and depression issues. It releases our sadness, anger, impulses. Even menstrual cycle get corrected after doing a breathwork sessions, my dear friends. So any of issues and more than these issues, actually, we can work on or overcome through breathwork sessions. So we are offering 2 days workshop, online and offline, both ways, on 7th and 8th February, this coming weekend. So if you are facing any kind of issues and you are looking for the solution, this is the perfect time to join our breathwork session. And this is the uh, this is the flyer of it, my dear
Yes,
friends.
yes. So
And
it will be, friends, it will be like 2 days workshop, but it is not a full day workshop. So on Saturday, you have to join online, understand what breathwork is,
mm,
how it will help you, or if you have any doubts, anything, it will be cleared in the online session. And on Sunday, which is an in-person session, you will actually going to experience a 90-minute breathwork session with us.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So on
And
this is happening in Pune. So whoever is in Pune, you can just message us, call us on the numbers given, and join us on this weekend.
And one more
Yes,
thing
Manisha.
I would like to add here is like, we will be teaching you a small breath work. Yeah, so which you can practice daily to release your stress and overwhelming. You just relax after practicing that. And one more thing is like, Usha, we are doing a Nabi correction, right?
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
So we are going to do a quick and simple method to correct our navel area or the Nabhi position. So the thought behind the science behind is that like whenever our system is misaligned, our body, mind, and emotions are misaligned, we have some issues in our overall system. The Nabhi gets dislocated, and there is a very simple, very quick method to do the Nabhi correction, which you can also do at home. That will also we will teach you during the in-person session. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so wonderful, and
Yes.
it is like a cherry on a cake.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
So this is like a power pack transformational workshop where you will get hands off takeaways, my dear friends, and please join us. We'll so excited to serve you and help you to to feel joyful, happy, and very fresh and relaxed. Join us. Please message us. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much, my
Thank you so
dear.
much, friends. See you on
See
weekend.
you
Bye.
on weekend. Bye bye. Take
Bye.
care.